Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 1. Solve the following equations. Let us solve the equations. That is number A is 2y plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. 37 by 2, or it can be written as 2y is equal to 37 by 2. We are transposing this one, that is plus will be changed into minus 5 by 2. That is transposing 5 by 2. Here the step is transposing 5 by 2. Transposing 5 by 2. This 5 by 2 will be changed into minus 5 by 2 on the right hand side. Right. Therefore we are getting, here it is 2, 37 minus 5. 37 minus 5 is equal to 32. Is equal to 32 by 2. If you divide 2 by 32, 2 16 to 32, that is 2y is equal to 16. That is, or 2y is equal to 16. Right? Therefore, we can write y is equal to 16 by 2. 16 by 2. That is 202. 2 8 is 16. Therefore, we can write y is equal to 8, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Required solution. Right. Now question number B. We'll solve question number B. Question number B is, here you see, question number B. Question number B is, here B is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10, or 5t is equal to 10. If we transpose this plus 28 in the right hand side, it will be minus 28, or 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. If you subtract 10 from 28, we are getting 18, and 28 is greater than 10, therefore it will be minus 18, or t is equal to minus 18 by 5, which is the required solution of the equation. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Required solution. Right. Now question number C. Here question number C is a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2, or a by 5 is equal to 2 transposing 3, that is 2 minus 3. On the right hand side, plus will be changed into minus 2 minus 3, or you can say a by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1, or you can say a is equal to minus 5, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Now question number D. Question number D you see here is Q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5, or Q by 4, if we transpose 7 on the right hand side, it will be 5 plus will be changed into minus 5 minus 7, or Q by 4 is equal to 5 minus 7 is minus 2, or you can write Q is equal to 4 into minus 2, therefore, or Q is equal to minus 8. Q is equal to minus 8, which is the required solution, which is the required solution, solution, right? Now we shall solve question number E. Question number E here is question number E is question number E. We find question number E is 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5, or we can write x is equal to minus 5 divided by 5 by 2. Here we are dividing this one by, right? Then it can be written as minus 5 divided by, we can change into multiplication, that is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. If we cut this 5, 5 1 5, 5 1 5, it goes to minus 2. Or you can say x is equal to minus 2, which is the required solution, which is the required solution. That is question number E. Now question number F. Question number F is 5 by 2 x is equal to 25 by 4. 25 by 4. Or you can write here as x is equal to 25 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Or it can be written as, or 25 by 4 divided will change into multiplication and 2 by 5. That is 5 1 5, 5 5 25, 2 1 2, and 2 2 4. That is equal to 5 by 2. That is equal to, or x is equal to 5 by 2, which is the required solution, which is the required solution, right? Now solve question number G. Here question number G is question number G is 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Or it can be written as, or 7m, if we transpose this 19 by 2 on the right hand side, it will change into minus 13 minus 19 by 2, or 7m is equal to, take LCM as 2, 13 into 2 is 26 minus 19, or 7m is equal to 26 minus 19, that is 7 by 2. Or you can write, or m is equal to 7 by 2 divided by 7, or it can be written as 7 by 2 into 1 by 7. 7 1 7, 7 1 7, right? Or m is equal to 1 by 2, or m is equal to 1 by 2. M is equal to 1 by 2, right? Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Now we shall solve question number H. Now we shall solve question number H. Question number H here you see is question number H is question number H. Here you see question number H is 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2, or 6z, if we transpose 10 on the right hand side, it will be minus 2 minus 10, or 6z is equal to minus 12, or z is equal to minus 12 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, or z is equal to minus 2, which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Required solution. Now question number I is here you see, that is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 L is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3, or you can write L is equal to 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2, or L is equal to 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 3, or L is equal to 4 by 9. L is equal to 4 by 9, right? Which is the required solution? 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 Now question number J. Question number J is here you see 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3, or 2b by 3, if you transpose minus 5 into right hand side, it will plus, that is 3 plus 5, or you can say, or 2 by 3 b is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8, or you can say b is equal to 8 divided by 2 by 3, or you can write, or b is equal to 8 multiply 3 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, or b equal to 4 3 is 12, b is equal to 12, right? Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.